Good morning, people. It's very windy today. Hopefully the wind sound does not put you off on this beautiful view. Yeah, I'll just make a couple of clips here and congeal everything together, or who knows, I could just get a couple of minutes of footage here and just release this as it is. Very interesting. They've got some safety notices there. Yeah, so if you get caught going in there, you get charged 3,000 NT. That's the Taiwanese monies. And you can watch a video I've done on Taiwanese monies if you'd like to know. But apologies for the wind, I'm not in control of that. It is a very windy season between May and October here in Taiwan, in this neck of the woods, South Taiwan. But beautiful marine structures in the ocean. Yeah, we have stuff like this in Australia, of course, and they probably have this in your neck of the woods. Absolutely beautiful. Mountains all around. Obviously no mountains here, obviously, because of the ocean or sea. Yeah, I've had bad experience with reefs in Port Noarlunga South at Triggers Point in Australia, back when I used to surf when I was a young boy. Yeah, I went surfing out there and slashed my feet open. Yeah, very beautiful views here. If it is noisy, you won't hear this. I'll be putting music behind this. Yeah, the colours are absolutely fantastic. This here will come up rather well on the 4K TV. I probably could have done it in 5K, but yeah, I don't have a 5K device. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, I finally worked out how to get the 4K onto the YouTube via the iPhone. Yeah, I reckon it must have been an update that changed about a month and a bit ago, because like the Tanalot temple is in 4K, and I filmed that like a month and a half ago, I think. So I have made a video on how to fix that up, so check that out. Probably would be good with music behind it instead of hearing me yapping. On that note, we'll wrap this bit up. So I hope you've enjoyed this beauty here. We are in South Bay here in south of Taiwan.